Presenting the 2005 Holden Commodore.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.